Hey everyone, Tony with Referral Auto Group. I'm here to tell you about two new trailers we just got in today. It's Gulfstream Envisions. They're the SVT. They're under 4,000 pounds, under 23 feet, towable by most SUVs and half-ton trucks. I'm going to spin around and tell you about them. They look identical on the outside, but the insides are a little bit different. So I'll spin around and tell you about them. The floor plans, all the build sheets and everything are on our website, so check it out. All the specs, all our videos and pictures I should have done tomorrow and up on there, but you can come see them anytime. They just got washed. Our first one here is our 21 TBD. This is a king-size bed in the front that will convert to two twin-size beds if you're sleeping with somebody you won't want to be that close to. Rear bathroom, booth slide-out. Again, welded aluminum structure, foam block insulation, Asdel on the side walls, dual axle. This one's about 3,800 pounds empty and under 23 feet in actual length. The other one has a queen bed with a sofa slide, rear bathroom, side kitchen. Both of them have heating and air. They're both built identical, power awning, LED lights, solar prep, backup camera prep, exterior speakers, full pass-through storage on both of them. Again, that first one's a king-size bed. This one here is a queen bed, but the king size in that first one will convert to two twin beds very easily. So come check them out. I should have them fully posted tomorrow. As always, thanks for watching. Just wanted to let you know. Take care.